Today, Rudy asked me to talk about the process of how to put an offer together. We ended up really talking about where the process kind of starts. And I use the word process, but actually for me is a communication. And the communication starts at the point where we have a VIP appointment, buyer's appointment initially. And then when I go into an appointment, my mindset is, I'm here to serve. So I want to give a service from my heart. So what does that mean? That means going above and beyond. If I were a buyer, what I would like to have. And so that means having a list prepared already of homes based on the ISA notes in the sync, and thinking on behalf of buyers as best as I can, the ones that I haven't met yet, and preparing homes and getting them ready to show them the homes. And also in showing them the homes, being able to talk intelligently about the homes. What that means is I would have already spoken with the listing agents to know about the homes, to understand what the sellers are all about, what the sellers are looking for, how's the offer situation for homes before I make the showing. So everything really makes a difference. I am prepared and always giving them a color printed copy with all the pictures of each home that I'm prepared to show the buyers. And I'm learning to really be much more comprehensive and more detailed in helping them visualize a picture of what I'm describing. As an example, as a real estate agent, we tend to use words that the public doesn't necessarily use every day. So as an example, what is an appraisal? Appraisal is a word that is hardly used. In our business, we use it every day. So I would describe an appraisal as an example to be having a professional person to come in, this is a licensed person, to look at the value of the home based on the history of similar homes being sold on the market. And I explain it in a way that the buyer can comprehend, can really absorb. And I try to be really careful about not over-communicating too much information, but communicating in a way that it just fits. And then feeding the information over time to the buyer as I take them in my car. I will get to learn about them, about their family, about their lives, about their pets, about their kids. And we get to know each other, so it's been a really wonderful, it's kind of developing a friendship that is blossoming. And they trust me, I gain the trust to help them, not just thinking about the endpoint being an offer, but I gain their trust to help them to help me help them to find the dream home. And on the mission, on the three things that I promised them. And I do use the word promise because I really believe in it when they first come in, and my role is to really help them find the right home at the right price, and I will burden, our team will burden, but on behalf of our team that I will work with them and burden all of the nitty-gritty, all of the difficult things that they can end up in the dream home that